Quick reading for February the 25th to the 26th. At Cancer, your cards are the Nine of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the Magician. Medyo nai-stress itong taong to ngayon dahil meron ditong longing of wanting to probably touch you, feel you, wanted to see you in person, wanting to have a conversation with you, pero parang hindi ito nangyayari ngayon. Parang either pinapanood ka lang nito, whether TikTok, no, or vinoview niya ang iyong mga social media accounts or nakikibalita sa'yo. That's the most that this person can do. And it felt like to me, kung bibigyan lang daw siya ng pagkakataon, I think that, this person wouldn't do. Parang wouldn't do the things that this person did. May mga pagkakataon dito na syempre pinagsisisihan niya bakit kayo in separation ngayon. Pero nandun na siya sa reality na talagang you are not in communication with them. Total separation. Kaya I think that this person's loving you from afar and medyo nag-aano lang ito, no? Mahanap ng pagkakataon to be near you again. This is your quick reading for February the 25th to the 26th, Cancer.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.